Racing just is started. We have Shining Courage, break quickly to start, running by the release right as Rain, then followed by Titanium, rushing about the outside, Silver Glow, running by the rail, Toscana, Barrio San Jose, isa pa, Jawo second last, while Song Portata is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, we have right as Rain takes command, then out the outside is Shining Courage, a length back in third comes Silver Glow, then 4 lengths back in fourth comes Toscana, moving up. Now at the outside is Titanium, Barrio San Jose comes next. Isa pa, Jawo second last, while Song Portata is still racing in last. Back to the leader now. We have 3 runners matching their strides together. Running by the rail is right as Rain. Moving up on the outside is Silver Glow. In the middle portion is Shining Courage. Then followed now by Toscana, Barrio San Jose, Titanium, isa pa, Jawo, while Song Portata is still racing in last, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have right as Rain. Moving up now on the outside is Silver Glow as they swing for home. Right as Rain, Silver Glow now moving up on the outside, and now says it's my turn to take the lead. We have Silver Glow by about 2 lengths over right as Rain in second, Barrio San Jose in third. Entering the finish line, it's all Silver Glow second, right as Rain, Barrio San Jose, Toscana, Titanium, isa pa, Jawo.
Alright, top choice, Silver Glow, crossing the wire first, masisigundin dos, right as Rain, then uno, Barrio San Jose, Toscana, Titanium, 9, isa pa, para sa inyong Super 6. 8, 2, 1, 3, 6, 9. Panoorin natin.